You already know what it is, and if you don't, you're watching Niya&MTV. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You feel me? Amen. Say amen. So today, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. We haven't came with the challenge in a minute, I feel like. So that's what we're doing today. I guess me and Niya have been looking up a whole bunch of different types of challenges.
Yeah.
And for today,
we are doing the taste challenge.
You did. And
so we're gonna pick 5 items that we already have in the kitchen because we went to Walmart and we didn't get anything. So yeah, we're using what we have. Exactly. That way we don't waste anything also. So he chose 5 things, I chose 5 things, and I'm going to give him his 5, and then he's going to give me my 5. We did rock, paper, scissors, of course, and I won, shockingly.
She did.
Ties.
So that's why I'm going first. As you can see, we got the blindfold right here. I'm going to put this on. She already got her 5 picked, like she said. And so I'm going to be sitting here blindfolded waiting on her to bring it. We really don't have a punishment or anything, right?
No, because it's just like a taste challenge. So basically, you gotta be able to taste and say what the thing is that he's tasting. And if you get it wrong, you can guess again. After that, it is what it is.
Oh, so we got 2 guesses. All right, 2 guesses, and then like you said.
Yeah, right. And whoever get the most guess, get the most guess. I mean, they taste buds just 100%.
Let's say whoever wins can pick if they want to start first in the next challenge.
Okay.
So the next challenge that we got going on, they'll either pick the other person to start depending on what the challenge is, or they can start first if it benefits them or whatever.
I like that.
Yeah, we'll just say that's the prize for the day. All right. So without further ado, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into the video.
Okay. I'm gonna bring everything in here.
Okay.
So you can never take it off.
Gotcha. Alright, y'all, we locked in right now. You know what I'm saying? This is the starting of the game.
Can you see?
I can't see one thing. So now don't forget to, show them the item. That way they know what I'm getting. Is that Hawa? Hawa.
Can I say hi to the camera?
Yeah, you can.
Hi guys.
Okay. Yeah, these are my tunes.
I'm not gonna lie with you, I'm a tad bit nervous, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know what. I shouldn't be, you sure? See, she's trying to downplay it that way, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's just. I'm gonna get messed up. That might be what she's trying to do. It's that reverse psychology. It's crazy.
Okay. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pick a number.
Oh, for me? 1 through 5. I'm gonna go right in the middle. 3.
1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Here we go.
Hopefully it's a good one.
Try not to give you too much.
She said try.
You ready?
No, I'm not ready. Oh my god.
Alright, here we go. Say ah.
Oh my god. Wait, no.
No, the 100 no?
Yeah, because
okay.
I gotta be able to taste it.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Can you see? You sure? Alright.
I need to put it out. There's a lot. You got a napkin?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. That was a lot, Niya.
That was a lot? Okay, here. I'll do less next time.
Oh. Bro, that was disgusting. Let me throw this away.
Well, so
mayonnaise.
what is it? Okay. I thought you.
Don't play with me, bro. You know I don't like mayonnaise. Frick it, bro. Just give me one, man. Like.
Okay.
Nice. Alright. Alright, I'm glad I went first because I know what level to give you. I'm gonna get you back, man. Oh my god. I don't even trust you at this point.
You can let me go.
Maybe. It depends on what all 5 of these items are.
Okay. You ready?
No.
Come on.
Is it okay?
It's a little bit. I'll put.
It's a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wait, can I get a tissue or something to spit it out just in case?
This tissue has something in it already, so.
What? You mean a used tissue?
I have to get more.
Okay. It smells. Okay. What is it?
Taste. I can't tell you.
Oh my god! I'm not doing this challenge again, bro. I swear this is terrible.
You ready?
Oh man, I'm not ready.
I'm not even bringing it to you. Come on.
It smells gross.
What do you want me to do about it?
What do you mean? Take something
How's
better.
your nose?
Okay, hold on.
Musa.
Hold on, you gotta give me a second. I don't know what it is.
You can't figure out what it is till you taste it.
I don't want to taste it.
You have to.
Oh my god, Naya. Why are you doing me like this, right? Take this.
I'm sorry.
Apple cider vinegar?
Apple cider.
Oh. It's not okay, bruh. You know what she gave me?
Okay.
She gave me mayonnaise and apple cider vinegar.
Okay, here we go. Here.
Oh my god.
Say
Okay, hold on.
This one has no smell.
Just give me a second.
Okay, take the time.
What? What is this?
Taste it. Get a little chew.
Is it good or is it bad?
Right, that's what I want to know.
Is it grass? What?
It's not grass. It's in a vegetable family.
Okay.
Think of all the vegetables we have in the house.
I ain't gonna lie with you. This one's the hardest one so far.
I'm glad you don't hate it.
Oh, okay.
Some type of leafy. It's definitely a green.
Like the color is green, or it's it's definitely like a green,
I don't know actually.
This stuff.
It's so neutral.
Like it's not good or it's not bad.
Well, and even the taste, it's not even strong. Dang, I think I'm stumped on this one. Excuse the way I'm chewing and stuff. I'm really trying to taste. Cauliflower. I know it's not cauliflower.
You don't even have cauliflower.
That's what I'm saying. What is it? I don't think I'm
tell
trying.
you.
Oh, okay.
You give up?
No.
Ampere and Patti.
What?
Put your blindfold on.
Okra?
Yes.
That was okra? There's no way.
It was.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
You gave me help on that, so that's half point. Or maybe not even.
No points.
No points.
Yeah, you probably really just got that one wrong.
Okay.
I don't know if you like this or not.
Okay.
I guess that's a no. Sorry.
It's so weird. It's weird. It gotta be like a dressing.
Okay. What's a dressing?
Balsamic vinegar?
No. It's not a wet dressing.
Yeah, it was thick.
Yeah.
But what thick dressing tastes like that?
It's one you probably wouldn't pick out the fridge.
Sriracha.
Yeah.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, that thing was gross.
It was gross.
It was gross. It's nasty.
Sorry.
Okay.
I did terrible.
You didn't do terrible.
No, I picked everything you don't like.
It's fine.
So you ready for the last one?
I guess so.
Okay.
Oh my god, my mouth is just all over the place right now.
I bet.
Alright, you know what? Let me actually read it out. Let me rinse it out.
Where is the water?
It's right here. Ew, I don't know. Thank you. What is this stuff, bro? What are these sauces?
You don't know what that is?
It tastes like ketchup.
It is ketchup.
Bro, that's the most disgusting ketchup. You know what it is? I think it's because I'm blindfolded. So my mind doesn't even know what to expect. Like, you know when your mind knows what to expect, it can kind of like get you ready for it? Bro, that didn't taste like ketchup at all. Ew. Alright, well, ketchup.
You can take it off.
Bruh. This was crazy. Wow.
He's looking at my setup.
I don't think you want to kiss me right now.
I don't. I kiss your cheek. Dirty. Got her.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, that was completely different. That was like... She did good though. Good job.
So you got one wrong.
Yeah, okay.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, we back with Niya, you know what I'm saying? She's blindfolded, so about that time. You know what time it is.
Ah.
Yeah. Alright, let me show you.
Stretch, get ready.
I don't know if y'all can peep that.
Don't give me a lot.
No, I ain't giving you a lot. It's just a little bit.
Stop.
Alright, are you ready, Niya? You want to drink some water or are you okay?
I drank some.
Actually, you know what? Let me get you some tissue all for this. Okay, hold on. You know.
You're so childish, guys. I have a load of water.
I'll get you some more. Here's a napkin. And then with this, it's in a mini cup.
Okay.
So you just sip it. Okay?
You ready?
Yep, do your thing, do your thing. It's different, right? When you're on the other side of it. Look at it.
I think I'm just as bad as him. Okay.
It's different, I'm telling you guys. Now you gotta taste it so you know what it is. Is it bad for real?
Tell him out. Now this milk.
Yeah. What type of milk?
Wait, my face, bro.
Is it bad?
It's not. What kind of milk?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, it tastes like whole milk. But I know we don't have whole milk.
Okay, you're very close. Let me give you a hint.
I don't like milk. Like, I don't think it matters what kind of milk.
No.
Okay,
It's like the one that we're very familiar with.
oh, it's almond milk, but it's not?
That's like one that be at work. That we give out a lot.
Half and half?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
This stuff is nasty. Okay. Woo. Let's get it over with.
The second one's. Oh, hopefully I can peep. So this one is gonna be same situation.
Something I have to drink.
Well, no, okay, no, this is not. You don't have to drink this one.
This in the cup?
No, it's gonna be in the spoon.
Okay.
Okay. You ready? Open your mouth.
Oh, I don't know what it is.
You don't know?
It's the olive.
It's a what?
Olive.
Yep.
You ready?
Oh, give me 1 second.
Okay. I'm weird, like.
Oh, your mouth is open?
No.
Okay.
It's the opposite of olive.
Alright, I'm ready when you are. You gotta try it. You gotta try it so you can like get a taste for it. What it tastes like? You gotta give me a rundown. It's not bad.
I mean, the spice is kind of like.
You messed up the spice, huh?
But the taste is like ketchup and salsa in the same bottle.
Ketchup and salsa.
It's sriracha.
It's sriracha? Yep, it is. Good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog.
Ew.
She good right now, she good.
I don't think I like.
This one is gonna be a little bit difficult, I feel like.
Oh my gosh. Musa, it better not be a banana.
No, it's not a banana.
Okay.
You gotta open up your mouth and tilt your head back.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. I don't want to tilt my head back.
You gotta tilt your head back. Come on, baby.
You're so bogus. It's not funny.
I hope we caught the quiver on camera, bro. Alright, you quiver, bro.
Put it in there.
Okay, you ready? Tell me if you need more. Yeah. Tell me if you need more.
What is this? Oh no, it just is.
You do? What? I wonder how she knows.
That's good. That's a good one. Well, we used to eat these in the hood.
I knew she was gonna know, bro. I did this just for your childhood, baby.
Challenge is raw noodles.
Yep. What type? Not flavor, but like type. Cause you said raw noodles, like.
Oh, ramen.
There you go. Okay. For those who.
I'm saying, I don't taste the flavor. It just tastes like.
Yeah, cause.
I haven't had raw noodles in years. Like a decade. Decade is 10.
Yeah, decade is 10. I'm getting it set up right now for you. Okay. You gotta open up your mouth and let me put it on your lips. Okay?
Is it cold?
Roll your face, Niya.
What is Sherbert? Sherbert? That's how you say it, right?
Is that your final answer?
Oh man, let me taste this more.
Another bite?
Yeah.
Do you like it or no?
I don't know. It's weird.
Okay. But it's the way you tasting it, right? It's funny as heck.
I mean, yeah, I guess it's like an ice cream, and it's like cotton candy.
What's the flavor you're getting?
Yeah, I feel like it's sherbet. That's how you say it, right?
Sherbet. Yeah.
Sherbet.
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 Yeah.
Is it sherbet?
Yeah, you got it. You're correct.
Okay.
Good job, Niya. Good job. You got all 5.
Did she like the sriracha sauce?
It tastes like
She likes the
ketchup.
spice.
And to take my blindfold off,
Mr. Carol.
I don't know, lashes.
One thing is pushed up.
Damn! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Cause it was a thought.
I'm just gonna time to take those off, baby.
Yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time, baby.
Anyway, y'all, we hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? A whole bunch of faces, so we're gonna get the zoom in going for sure. Cause I know I made a lot, and I know she made a lot for sure. Overall, I had fun. I'm not gonna lie, it was a fun video. We got Hawa in the back right here watching. She approves this video for sure. You gonna like, comment, and subscribe?
Yeah, I already did.
Oh yeah, she's already subscribed.
She just gotta like and comment.
Like and comment and share.
Share it with your friends.
What you gonna say though?
Huh?
What was you gonna say?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Well, anyway.
How well approved.
How well approved. We got the stamp, y'all. We got the stamp.
Okay, so yeah, it's time for me to wash my face. It's late. I don't have no watch on. What time is it? It's 9:50. And it's past your girl bedtime.
I got work tomorrow.
So,
Time to go to sleep.
Assalamualaikum. And we're gonna hit y'all. He gonna eat his ice cream. And we're gonna hit y'all with another video soon.
Alright. Good night, y'all.
Like, comment, and subscribe.